Hi, I'm Julie Miller from My Florida Dreams in Ellenton, Florida, 574-276-2067. Today we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom mobile home here. We are in the lanai. There's a big old avocado tree in this yard. This is air conditioned. And we're going to step up into the living room. All the floors have been redone. It's got nice laminate ceiling fans throughout. This house is turnkey. Everything you see in this video is yours when you purchase this house. We're going to walk back into the guest bedroom. Got a nice closet, nice ceiling fan. This house has a brand new roof on it. This house has a newer air conditioner. The roof has a transferable warranty. This is the master bedroom with a big walk-in closet. Nice and bright in here. We're going to go into the ensuite. Plenty of storage. Very nicely updated. Nice tile floors. We have a walk-in shower. This is the guest bathroom. Nicely updated. Another nice walk-in shower. Into the dining room. Plenty of storage. Into a beautifully updated kitchen. Got nice granite, newer appliances. This home also comes with a golf cart. This house has been very nicely updated. My name is Julie Miller. Give me a call at 574-276-2067. Let's make this your Florida dream come true.